What is going on, YouTube Nation? This is Dark Dividend. If you guys are new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so don't miss future videos. I have another high yield dividend stock for you guys to check out. This is probably everyone's top 5 real estate investment trust. I'm just going to say that. I don't own these guys, but I'm definitely closely watching them. I'm going to eventually try to find a way to integrate them into my M1 Finance dividend portfolio. These guys are just such a powerful high yield dividend growth stock. Revenue solid. Everybody talks about these guys. I'm sure you know who these guys are. It's not Realty Income. It's not MPW. This is just one there's just something about somebody being the best, if you want to say that. And these guys could be the best real estate investment trust out there. So I'm not giving financial advice for entertainment purposes only. Disclaimer in the description. But I'm going to do a dividend stock analysis. I'll go over FFO. I'll go over the company as well and why everybody loves these guys. So let's check this REIT out right now. And that stock or REIT is American Tower Corp, AMT. It's sitting at 201.18. Average volume 2.28 million. The market cap is 93.68 billion US dollars. Year range is 178.17 to 282.47. Its previous close was 201.15. Now, as you can tell, it has done pretty well against the S&P. Now, it's a little bit down right now, and this is why dividend investors, I'm seeing a lot of posts on Twitter and social media why they're capitalizing on this. And many people have posted YouTube videos on these guys as well. Here's why these guys are such a powerful REIT. And looking at their website, they have 225,000 global sites. So they're a global provider of wireless communications infrastructure. They offer solutions and services to deploy and support wireless networks in 26 countries located in 6 continents. Look at this, 26 countries, 6,400 employees. So here's the thing. You need to communicate. You have wireless networks. These guys are pandemic proof and recession proof. So look at this. Canada, 200 plus sites. The United States, 43,100 sites. Mexico, 9,800 sites. Costa Rica, 700 plus sites. Colombia, 5,000. Peru, 4,400 sites. Brazil, 23,000 sites. South Africa, 3,000 sites. Kenya, 3,400 sites. Uganda, 4,000 sites. Nigeria, 7,600 sites. Ghana, 4,200 sites. Bangladesh, 500. Check this out. India, 77,600 plus sites. Spain has 11,600 plus. Poland has 60. Germany has 14,800. And France has 4,300. That's just the tip of the iceberg. And the thing is, I'll just give you an example. This bigger is better. Okay, the more sites and locations, the more strong the company is. For example, when I invested in Rich Uncle's, which is a private REIT, it had some serious potential. The pandemic hit, that private REIT was done. These guys are growing and getting stronger. These guys are pandemic proof and recession proof. Now, I'm not giving financial advice. Again, entertainment purposes only. But look at these guys. You're going to still need, if something happens, a pandemic or recession happens, your communication is key across the world. So if you're not communicating, you're not going to be an effective business, especially with the technology and communications. Everything's like wireless now, and communication is crucial to being a big business or being a successful business. So this is why these guys are crucial, and people need these guys. So if you're in demand and you're in need, people are going to pay big bucks for you guys as a real estate investment trust or a site. Now let's check out a few more things. I just want to go over their vision, mission, and a few other things. So their vision is building a more connected world. Their mission is to lead the wireless connectivity around the globe, innovate a mobile future, drive efficiency throughout the industry, grow their assets and capabilities to meet customer needs, and then their core principles, understand our customers' needs and satisfy them. As I said, they're in demand, they're in a need, so these guys are powerful, and and this is why they're so good. Work as a team to build a lasting customer relationship by understanding their requirements and exceeding expectations. Hire good people and empower them. Place the right people in the right positions, develop their talent and skills, and provide opportunities for them to influence outcomes. That's pretty strong. I really like these guys as a company. Somehow I need to incorporate them. I don't own these guys, but I'm telling you, after I show you the dividend growth history and revenue and FFO, these guys are very attractive. This is just like my previous video with a new dividend stock that I bought. With their dividend growth rate and revenue and FFO, somehow I need to add these guys. I'm not going to be adding them now, but eventually in the future, I can guarantee these guys will be in my dividend portfolio. Now, let's check out their revenue, FFO, and dividend history. And in being in such high demand, of course, there's going to be an increase in revenue. This is in millions US dollars. 2016, 5,785. 2017, 6,663. 2018, 7,440. 2019, 7,580. 2020, 8,041. 2021, 9,356. And then 2022, 10,711. So right there, you see a huge jump in revenue from 2016 to 2022. Now let's go over their FFO and dividend history. So I'm on NASDAQ.com, and they're just going over Zacks. So American Tower came out with quarterly funds from operations, FFO of $234 per share. Remember, PE ratio is worthless, pretty much worthless when it comes to real estate investment trust. Beating the Zacks consensus estimate of $223 per share. This compares to the FFO of $218 per share a year ago. These figures are adjusted for non-reoccurring items. This quarterly report represents an FFO surprise of 4.93%. A quarter ago, it was expected that the wireless communications infrastructure company would post FFO of $242 per share when it actually produced an FFO of $236, delivering a surprise of $248. Over the last 4 quarters, the company has surpassed consensus FFO estimates 3 times. American Tower, which belongs to the Zacks REIT and Equity Trust, other industry posted revenues of $2.71 billion for the quarter of December 2022, surpassing Zacks consensus estimate of 0.98%. This compares to a year ago revenues of $2.45 billion. The company has topped consensus revenue estimates 4 times over the last 4 quarters. That's pretty strong. Now let's go over their dividend history. Check out this incredible dividend growth. So 2012 it was 21 cents, to 22 cents, to 23 cents, 24 cents, 26 cents in 2013. And then the end of 2013, it finished at 29 cents. 2014, it started at 32 cents. Then it ended at 36 cents. 2015, it started at 38 cents. And then it finished at 46 cents. Then in 2016, it jumped to 49 cents. And then it finished at 59 cents. 2017, it jumped to 58 cents. Then it finished at 66 cents. 2018, it finished at 70 cents. And then it finished at 79 cents. I can't even keep up. This is so fast. 2019, 84 cents. It jumped up to 95 cents at the end of the year. 2020, it started at 101. And then it ended at 114. 2021, it started at 121. Then it finished at 131. 2022, it started at 139. And then it finished at 147. And then 2023, it started at 156. Their payout ratio is 63%. The number of dividend increases in the last 5 years is 20. Dividend growth in 5 years is 17.43%. So if you bought 1 share, you made $6.24 with a 3.10% dividend yield. These guys are really strong, and these guys are really powerful. Now, I'm going to conclude a few things. 1, this is not financial advice. 2, in the description, a lot of my friends have new ebooks out, which I have in the description of my videos. Some are covered call strategies to turbocharge your dividend portfolio. Some are using put strategies to turbocharge your dividend portfolio. One of my other good friends has a Amazon strategy that she does, and she's very successful. And a few other things are one of my buddies that are dividend millionaires. They have an ebook, so check those out. And one of my buddies, Budget Dog, also has a 401k investing strategy. A lot of people get suckered into buying mutual funds that aren't very strong, and he gives you tips on how to invest in the stock market as well. So check those out. I mean, some of these are at a discount as well sometimes because I'm affiliated with these guys. So check that out if you're interested. And if you're new to this YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. Again, I do not own American Tower, but this is one that's very attractive. I may add them in my traditional IRA and go from there. There's a lot of decisions I have to make with these guys, or I'll just throw them into my dividend portfolio, or we'll see. But eventually, I'm going to add these guys somehow. So you guys take care and have a great Friday.